To assemble the NAHANCO K31 single-roll polybag dispenser, start by attaching the polybag upright crossbar to the legs by inserting the bolt with washer into the hole in each leg and tightening them down with the wrench or hex key included. Attach the bagging jack to the rear crossbar using the 2 carriage bolts. Screw on the nuts and tighten with the wrench included. Attach the rear crossbar onto the legs using the bolts with washers and tighten with the wrench or hex key included. Slide the polybag platform down the polybag upright. Slide the bearing set down the polybag upright so they sit on the polybag platform. Place a roll of polybags onto the upright. Insert the spring-activated arms post into the polybag upright with the spring-activated arm against the outside of the roll. Adjust the bagging jack to the desired height. To drop the bagging jack down, apply pressure to the pedal. That concludes the assembly of the NAHANCO K31 single-roll polybag dispenser.